Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are learning Chinese together here, so subscribe if you're not a member yet. I've got great feedback about the first words of the week video, so I've decided to continue this format. In this video, I will share what words and expressions I have learned over the past week, and you are welcome to share in the comment section what vocabulary and grammar you are learning. No matter what your level is, practicing here will help you remember the words better. So you can just list your words or make examples with them, whatever works for you best. And also feel free to ask questions about what you are struggling with in your study. This way we can all learn faster and more efficiently. Okay, so the new words of the week start with juncture. It's an HSK word, and somehow I always struggle with finding collocations for it. So juncture means exact, precise. 我不知道准确的数字，反正是几百。I don't know the exact number. It's somewhere around several hundred. Apart from numbers, it can also be 准确的时间 exact time, 准确的发音 accurate pronunciation, or 准确的表 an accurate watch.
其实最开始我读中文译本的时候，自己也没有准确理解这个词的意思。
The next word is 平凡, which means average, uneventful, commonplace, routine. For example, 过平凡的生活 to live an uneventful life, just as we do here in winter in the pandemic. You can say 平凡的工作 or 平凡的人。平凡无味的 is about something that is boring and metaphorically tasteless. 犯致命的错误，致命 means fatal, so 犯致命的错误 means to make a fatal mistake. You can also say 致命的武器 a deadly weapon, or 致命之处 which is Achilles' heel or some sort of vulnerable point, the most vulnerable spot.
但是这个地方它有一个致命的缺点。
The next one is 维持 which means to maintain. So for example, you can 维持你的中文水平 you can maintain your Chinese level. You can also maintain order, which is 维持秩序. For example, 警察在街上维持秩序. Policemen are maintaining order on the street.
所以这是我的一个爱好。那一直到博士的毕业之后的话，一直在维持这个爱好。
The next word comes from this TikTok.
现在中国人民已经组织起来了，是惹不得的。如果惹翻了，是不好办的。
So the word is 惹 which means to provoke, to vex, to incite somebody. For example, 你把他惹翻了 you made him angry, you provoked him. Or for example, 最好别惹他 don't vex him, don't provoke him. And in the TikTok, Xi Jinping said, 中国是惹不得的 China should not be provoked. The next phrase is 坚持不住. 坚持 means to persevere, to persist, to stick to something. So when you 坚持不住, it means that you want to give up, you can't go on any longer. For example, 当你坚持不住的时候，你要找一个办法放松. When you feel that you cannot go on any longer, you want to give up, you might want to think of a way to relax. The next word is 电竞, which is short for 电子竞技, which is cyber sport, playing video games as a sport. And the guys who do that are 电竞玩家.
对于专业的电竞赛事来说呢，无光的环境确实很重要，这是为了防止你走神。
The next word is a 成语. It goes like 一本正经, which means to look very serious, very solemn, deadpan. 一本正经的说 to say something in a very serious tone. 他这个人是太一本正经的 He's way too serious. The next phrase is 不妥 which means improper, inappropriate. For example, 这种方法不妥 This is not the way to do it, which probably is a more formal way of 不行，这种方法不行，这样说是不妥的 It's inappropriate to say this. Or 这没什么不妥 There is nothing wrong about it. And 不妥当的 is an adjective, and you can say, for example, 不妥当的问题 or 不妥当的说法 an inappropriate question or expression.
这块石头在这儿，大家就觉得没有什么不同。
And the last for today is 挥霍 which means to squander, to waste, to spend extravagantly. Well, normally about money. For example, 他挥霍了全家的钱财. He squandered away all his family's wealth.
我有钱的时候啊，就浪费，挥霍，帮人少，浪费多。
So these were my words of the week. Practice in the comment section what you are currently learning. And 谢谢大家耐心观看，下次再见，拜拜。